Hey YouTube, so today we're gonna go and have a look at a Mitsubishi Evo, try and get it started. I'm just gonna get my mate now. Alright Dan, so what we doing? If fucking having a look at this fucking Evo or not?
Yeah, let's go and have a look at it.
Yeah, let's go man, fucking try and get it started. Are we gonna get a
jump pack in it?
Jump pack? Or you can maybe get some jump leads or whatever, see how it goes. I'm excited, man. I'm excited. So the Evo's been standing for fucking
8 years.
8 fucking years, mate.
8 years, man.
That's crazy. So we.
But it's a shame, man. It's a shame. Do you know what I mean?
That's crazy. Now we'll try and get it started, man. See how it goes. All right, la. So where about is it now?
It's at home, yeah. At home.
Where was it before that, Dan? Did you move it last night?
It's at Belgrano Garage, yeah.
Belgrano Garage. So you moved it from there to your house?
Yeah, yeah.
All right, Sam. Hold tight. This is the jump pack we're gonna use. Is it fully charged, yeah?
I've got jump leads in the missus' car anyway, so
alright.
We'll get there, innit? We'll get it started.
Alright, sound lah. So just now we go and have a look at this Evo, man. You know what I think? I think we should have got fresh fuel, fresh oil, fresh water. But we'll try and get it going just like that. If it starts for a bit, we won't run it that long.
Just in case, innit?
But I think in the future we need to get it serviced and take it from there. Like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Here we go. Hold tight.
Hold tight.
We're good for food. You listen. Well, he's gone on record to say that the best Mackie D in Britain.
So just almost there, la. What are you saying, Daniela? You're right.
Yeah, let's hope it starts, innit?
What are you doing today?
Trying to start this car, lad. And then go from there, yeah?
You're excited, yeah?
Well, a little bit. Here we go.
Here we go. Oh, there she is. Grab the pack. There she is. Wow. That's crazy. Beast of a machine, this man. I can hear another Evo somewhere. That's the beast. It's been standing for a while, man. Looks like it's been wrapped or something, innit? It's got a sunroof as well. That's great. Hey, Missy. How you doing? Oh! This is the beast done. What are you saying about the beast? Let's get the bonnet open. What's happening with the...
Come on. Get in there, guys.
Wow, this thing is nice, man. This thing is nice. I want it done. What's happening with the window?
So what happened is when I moved it, a little bit of the windows fell down because the battery's flat.
Oh, right. So the window is still there, yeah?
Yeah, window's still there, yeah.
Right. Get it.
Tiny gap. I just didn't want the moisture.
You see what it looks like on the in here? Still looks dry though, still looks alright.
It's alright. I've been looking for that spanner.
Really? Standing for 8 years and it still looks dry in here, man. Can the back door open
There's a
then?
bit of thingy there.
If you can't, it's alright, mate. There we go. Wow, there's still money in there as well.
Money!
Money. That's great. Let's get the bonnet open, man. Let's get this thing going. This is Daniela. We also got a gym in Real called Powerhouse. If you guys wanna come and check it out.
Oh,
Bloody hell, man. Wow.
ooh.
Looks nasty in there, and done.
Mm.
Do you reckon it's a good idea to get it started?
Try it, innit?
Yeah, let's
I
try
don't know if
it.
it's a good idea, but
Let's
try it,
try
haven't
it.
we?
Okay, hang on, let's have a look at this oil first. Where's the water? Right, pull the dipstick out there then. Still looks alright, doesn't it?
It's alright.
Right, water.
Yeah.
Pull it, yeah.
Water or what?
That's still, it's alright.
Sure.
It's alright now. Put some coolant in there instead of water, yeah.
No, you have to check the cooler box in there, look, but I bet it's not the same one.
Yeah, might not be the same one, innit? Just make sure that's closed there, done.
It's on, innit?
Right, let's hook it up, lah. So red on that side.
Black one first though, innit?
You got a key?
He's up in the door, yeah?
I would like to hear this thing, man. It's got a blower on it as well. Man, we need to clean that engine. What we'll do now, yeah, we'll put a black bag on it or something.
In the engine.
Yeah. Just to cover it. Here we go. Might not be enough power, but Ale, cut it. It's not enough power, lah.
Okay.
Can we hook the BM onto it?
Yeah.
Sound.
No, we'll have to hook my van. No, we can do the BM actually. It's just the battery. I thought the battery was broke on this, but it's miraculously not broke anymore. I think there was a fuse in the
What
boot
is
patch.
the battery in the back? Do you know?
The
Oh,
battery in the back, so I have to turn this car around. But there was what happened with this? When it went cold,
yeah.
it's like it drained all the battery out, yeah.
Right.
And every day I had to keep getting up at 4 in the morning to jump start the car. And then I realised there's a fuse poked in the gap of the boot, yeah.
Yeah.
So it must have been the fuse, must have been earthing against the thing. Because as soon as I took the fuse out, the problem's gone.
Wow.
There's a tiny little fuse was stuck in between the clasp of the boot catch and the boot hook. Do you know what I mean?
That's crazy.
Got rid of that anyway.
Okay, so that was a fail. So we'll try something else. Hook a car up to it. The battery pack wasn't enough power. That's the one we used, which is crap. But it helps sometimes. 16 valve. Let me know in the comments anyone want to buy this thing. and how much they want to pay for it. Dan, would you be up for selling this?
Yeah, man.
All right, so we'll see in the comments how much people are willing to pay for it.
Yeah.
And take it from there.
Well, as it is, right?
As it is, yeah. Brakes don't sound too good on that. Come on, Missy. Man, I think it needs a lot of work on this thing, man. But I don't think the engine looked that bad. Come on, la. You're good, you're good. Oh, it's already cables in there.
Cable's ready. Because this is, like I said, this had a battery problem over Christmas.
Right.
When that stupid temperature went down to -7.
Right.
Drained everything out. This car's obviously to sale as well now.
Is that?
This car's for sale. Yeah.
How much you after for it?
Not really. You need the wing mirror fitted on. You need not the wing mirror, the interior mirror.
Yeah, I think the brakes needs doing as well, the back brakes.
Huh?
I think the brake thing's doing as well, the back brakes.
And this light bulb's got a job for you there.
Yeah, I can do that easy, man.
Right then.
That's the thing about these BMWs, the batteries at the back. And sometimes it's difficult to get to. So you... Clips out here, I think. It's awkward, innit? Tell them you'll call them back then. We're on a mission now. Like. So I'll hold it. What I'll do, I'll hold it. If it makes a noise, let me know.
Yeah.
All right, try it.
Just keep hold of it, Zed.
Yeah.
Keep hold of that.
That's crazy.
It's smoking.
It's alright, it's water. Woo! After 8 years, man. What?
let it save the paintwork. I don't really know much about
Alright, let's
them.
cut it off, let's cut it off. So now we know it runs, innit? I just don't want that oil and everything going through it.
Yeah, mate.
That's crazy.
Yeah, it's open. It's open. Yeah.
So we got the beast to start. Like and subscribe. We'll probably do something else to this car as well. We'll try and get the engine cleaned and try and see if we can film that. Like and subscribe if you want to see some more videos, and let me know if you guys want to buy this car. Let me know how much you want to pay for it, and then I'll let Danny know.
Hold tight.
Hold tight.